Hello and welcome to Business Intelligence Solution Providers India, BISP, and I'm Anil Patel. And today we'll show installation of Informatica 8.6. Informatica 8.6 is a ETL tool. This is a leading ETL tool in market. For installation of Informatica 8.6, we need to prepare our system. There is some prerequisites. For installation of Informatica 8.6 for Windows platform, first we need to install any database like Oracle, SQL, Teradata or any RDBMS, and our system should be supported by Java. I am using Oracle 11g database, and in database we should create a user schema for installation of Informatica 8.6, and for that we'll create a user which name is BISP. It could be any name. You can see the syntax for creation of user schema and how to grant privileges to user. Just open SQL Developer from Oracle 11g Home. Now open a connection. Now here we'll create a user. Just follow these syntax for create user. Create user, username identified by password, and this syntax for grant privilege to username. Grant connect DBA resource to username. This is syntax and a query for create user. Now run. Now user is created successfully. Now we can see user is created. Now we need to grant privilege to user. So grant connect comma DBA resource to username, then run the command. Now user has grant for connect DB and resource successfully. Then prerequisites are finished. Then next step is to installation of Informatica 8.6. So how to download? If we don't have, so we need to download from Oracle website free of cost. So just go to oracle.com or follow this link. So now open browser and paste. Then you can see this is a welcome page from Oracle Software Delivery Cloud. Now just select a product pack. So just from drop down list select Oracle Business Intelligence. Then after you can select a platform for Oracle Business Intelligence. Here n numbers of platform available. So we'll choose Microsoft Windows 32-bit, or you can choose according to your need. Then click on go. We have to select this version. So select Oracle Business Intelligence 10.1.3 Media Pack for Microsoft Windows 32-bit. After select, press continue. Now Oracle Business Intelligence 10.1.3 Media Pack for Microsoft Windows 32-bit page is open. Now we have to download our requested version. Informatica Power Center and Power Connect Adapter 8.6.1 for Windows 86 32-bit. This is in two parts. first part and second part. So download both. Now we have downloaded successfully Informatica 8.6. This is both part, first part and second part, and this is key for Informatica. Here two part is specified. One is for client installation and second one is for server, and third one is key of Informatica 8.6. Now for installation of Informatica 8.6 there is steps. So first we need to install Informatica server, then client. Now this is steps for installation. First we need to install server installation. So then after server installation we install client for Informatica. So open downloaded folder for server PC86 server Win32, double click and open. Then here install.bat file. So execute install.bat file. Then double click on install.bat file. Then installation is start. You can see a welcome window of Informatica is open. Now we need to select language, so I'll select language English, then OK. Then welcome window of Informatica is appeared. Read down everything carefully, then go to next, press next. Second window is appeared of Informatica. Here choose installation type window. Here we have two options. First is for installation Power Center 8.6.0 and second one is for upgrade to Power Center 8.6.0. So we are installing fresh Informatica 8.6. So click on install Power Center 8.6. Then press next. Power Center license key window appears. Then here we need to browse path of key. So just our key is located under this folder, you can see. Just browse, go to desktop and Informatica 8.6 and Informatica 8.6 key, then select, then open, then click next. Now next window, installation prerequisites, is open. Here you can read each and everything. Installation prerequisites, domain configuration database. Here we necessary to at least one database, Oracle DB2 SQL Server Sybase. We choose Oracle 11G as a database. Then here disk space at least 750 MB, then press next. Now read information, then press next. Here we need to define path for installation of Informatica in our system. It's default path, or we can assign path, then press next. Next window, HTTPS configuration. Here no need to change anything, then press next. Now here pre-installation summary presents. Here we can see a product name, installation directory, HTTPS status, that is enabled, and shortcut folder, disk space requirement. Now press install. Now installation of Informatica 8.6 is started. It will take a few times. Informatica is a very powerful ETL tool. Lots of functionality, features. This is steps for installation of server. Now you can see SOA based